Today's video is going to be one of the most important videos this week, so I need you guys to listen up. So I need a raise of hand. If you guys have been liking these videos so far, hit that like button, get this video to 1,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button. Guys, we got a lot to cover over today, such as stocks to buy now, and also what I'm going to be looking for to tomorrow. So this is a jam-packed video. Got a lot of stuff for you guys, so make sure you also join the Discord. First link in the description. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Take a look at this, guys. We had gone up in the pre-market, 0.5% up. We were in the green and we turned around. We quickly faded to the red. So you guys gotta be cautious for tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna spill in some lessons, teachings, and hidden gems inside this video, so you guys want to watch this all the way through. And also I do have some notes, so let me go ahead and get some of them right now. Okay, so on the fear and greed index, I have it pulled up. We are at level 29 of the fear and greed index. So what does that mean, right? What is the fear and greed index? That means when the level is 29, a lot of investors are panicking, right? But on the contrary, if you are saving a ton of cash, this is where you pounce, right? Slowly but surely is going to be the main theme of this video. So once again, I need you guys to listen up, and let's go ahead and get into the next stock, guys. The next stock is going to be ticker symbol NVDA. This is going to be the main watch of tomorrow and Wednesday. So once again, I need you guys to listen up, all right? Because I have some hidden gems that I'm about to spill on NVIDIA. So you guys know NVIDIA earnings come in 2 days. Everyone is waiting for the countdown. Today, it is down 3.23%. However, overnight, it is up about $8. So what can we expect about NVIDIA? We're going to see a ton of NVIDIA volatility throughout the next 2 days. So I have some key levels for you guys, all right? But let's just first take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, I'm going to hit the weekly chart. We are down 6% in the past week. And on the month, we are up 3.33% in the past month. You see that, guys? We took the DeepSeek dip, rode all the way to 141, and we're now back at 131. So I need you guys to watch these levels for me tomorrow, okay? 130 is going to be a key level, but if we go down to the 128 level, let me go ahead and pull this up, okay? Guys, take a look at this, okay? If you don't have this marked out on your charts, go ahead and mark this level down, 128.30, okay? This level is going to be very important coming in tomorrow. If NVIDIA, for some reason, drops down like this, where it opens up green, right, but it drops down a few points, be on the lookout for the 128 level. That is the next support for NVIDIA, okay? We're seeing right here a market sell-off. This is normal when stocks go to all-time highs. This is just investors taking profit, okay? But that gives us a chance at loading up on the dip. For NVIDIA, I'm expecting an earnings run up. So they have shaken people out today, right? They took this one green, they hit everyone with the fake out, right? This was a bull trap, right? Bulls got too excited. Now we pulled back down all the way to 131. But let's say NVIDIA opens, right? Goes down to 128. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to be looking at these call options. I'm gonna hit trade options right now. Guys, follow through, okay? This is gonna be a step-by-step what I'm going to be looking in tomorrow. And if you guys need extra help, join the Discord, okay? First link in the description. I'm going to be looking at, depending on whether you day trade or swing trade, right? I'm primarily going to be looking at the March 7th expiration, okay? I'm going to be watching these 135 calls that are sitting at 575 a contract, okay? This is about right now $4 to $5 out the money, but when NVIDIA dips, okay, I expect NVIDIA to run back up. Does that make sense? So that is why I'm looking at it out of money. But if you guys want to play it safe, right, you can play it in the money, which is just below the strike price, right? You could play a 130 call that sits at $8 a contract. But guys, with earnings, okay, I am going to be expecting some volatility. So I want you guys to watch out for these $135 call options sitting at 455 for February 28th. And also this one right here, right? This one, March 7th, 135, sitting at 575 on the ask. That is going to be the play for tomorrow, okay? So hopefully you like this step by step, okay? I have a ton of cash sitting around and I am ready to pounce, okay? I know these shakeouts may come, but guys, this is what you expect or what you have to expect when you get into the stock market. Okay, there's gonna be a series of ups and there's gonna be a series of downs. I need you guys to make money on both ways. Okay, I can guarantee, okay, ton of you guys on the Discord have been getting busy. Okay, I know some of you guys killed it with option plays today on the downside. Okay, I got my boy Quay. He took a SPY 6-1 put for the February 24th expiration and he made $200 just so quick, guys. He made $200. Okay, I love seeing you guys get busy on the SPY puts. Okay, make sure you guys follow the trend. All right, so make sure you guys do that. Once again, for NVIDIA, I'm watching the 128 level. Okay, if we come down there, I'm gonna be loading up call options for an earnings swing. Okay, or earnings run up swing. Okay, so I'll update you guys on that. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol ACHR. So throughout the course of today, I took the whole day, right? I am adding slowly into companies that I'm watching. Okay, so take this day slow, right? You gotta match today's speed with the trades and buying. Okay, so it's a time to add in on the dips that have been dipping 30 to 40%, right? You don't want to essentially buy the top. So I've been scouting a few stocks, right? One of them is ticker symbol ACHR. This one currently sits at 838 and they got earnings on Thursday. So this one's going to be a key watch. I'm going to be adding along the way down to $8. And also, guys, we got ticker symbol RKLB. Okay, Rocket Lab USA. This one's sitting at 22.39 and the low of the day on this one was 21.93. So I'm watching these stocks, and also the low of the day of Archer was about 8.26. So big watch on these stocks. Let's go ahead and take a look at the options. And you guys, one guy I saw in the comments, he said he was selling puts on BBAI. Okay, that can be an awesome, great way to accrue some premium from option put selling. Okay, I like to see you guys not just buy options, but sell options. Okay, you can play this way both ways as well. You can also buy calls and also sell puts, right? You can sell calls also. I want you guys to make money every way in the market. Okay, so that's really good that I saw that comment. Guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the $9 call for March 7th. Okay, this one trending downwards. Okay, down 41% today. I love these when they get cheap because it gives me time, right, and a discount to load up on. So you guys are going to see me today slowly add in on dips. I'm not chasing, I am just slowly adding on these red days. Does that make sense? Let me know down below in the comments. Okay, so I'm going to be watching this $9 call that's sitting at $60. NVIDIA is going to come first, then I'm going to pay more attention to ticker symbol ACHR and RKLB. But for now, guys, these premiums have dropped significantly, so that gives me a good sign to load up pretty soon. Okay, so I'm cautiously monitoring these premiums. Let's go ahead and take a look at ticker symbol RKLB. Okay, ticker symbol ACHR, I prefer more, but let's go ahead and look at these premiums. Okay, these ones are down 20%. The ones on ticker symbol ACHR are down 40%. So you see how volatile they can be. Okay, IV's 139. So once again, I prefer ticker symbol ACHR over RKLB, but they're both great companies. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and talk about the main subject of today as well. Ticker symbol HIMS. They had earnings, they beat, right? But they dropped 20%. Okay, this is what you just call profit taking. And if you guys notice dips like this, where it drops 10% and it runs back up to $52, right? That's a whole 15% gain. Make sure to take profits, right? Take profits, because when earnings plays come, okay, they could go either way, right? They beat, however, the stock still dropped because everyone was taking profit. So I need you guys, once again, if you're green on a trade, right? If you see profit, take profit. Don't leave it on the table, because you can always come back next week. Okay, so that's going to be a really important lesson. All right, so ticker symbol HIMS. These option contracts went all the way up. I believe the IV was about 200%. Let me go ahead and take a look at the call option, guys. Take a look at this. 247% IV. You would need such a huge move to the upside to make money on calls, but to those who played puts on the earnings, way to go. Okay, that's how you make money. But guys, next up we got ticker symbol HOOD. So this is another stock that I'm going to be watching coming into this week. This one dropped 26% in the past week, and in the past month it is down 2.36%. You guys know Robinhood recently had great earnings. However, with this market sell-off, a lot of these growth stocks got slammed down. Okay, so it's probably time to pay attention to Hood at about $47. Okay, so I'm be watching the $47 level for Hood. And once again, this one is down 2.36% the past month. And if I do get in, guys, I'm going to be watching for a longer dated call option. Okay, maybe the March 7th one for the $50 call sitting at 240. These are not bad to trade. Okay, if we get to $47, okay, I'm going to be watching these ones. All right, so that's Hood. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol GOOGL. This one has been falling, guys. Look at this. Straight landslide down. So if we go ahead and break 180 tomorrow, I want you guys to watch out for the 182.5 level, okay? Not too much huge of a Google watcher, but something to keep in mind for the long term and short term as well. So ticker symbol GOOGL, still watching that. Next up, guys, we're gonna dive into the penny stocks. So I saw the comments, right? You guys are loving these penny stocks. So I'm going to continue talking about large cap stocks, penny stocks, and more. Okay, this channel is going to bring variety. That is why I do this. Okay, I do this for you guys. So kicking off the penny stock, guys, we got ticker symbol OCEA. Ocean Biomedical is sitting right now at 12 cents 27 and some change. It is down 5% today, 5.37%, and is up 2.42% in the after hours. In the last video, okay, I said I was looking at this one in the low 11s and low 12s. Okay, as it's approaching downward, the 52-week low is around 11.4. Okay, 11.40. So I'm gonna need you guys to watch for that level. Okay, so I'm just gonna be watching this one for now. I'll let you guys know if I'm in this one. All right, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol LGMK. All right, I'll let you guys know I'm watching this one at 25 cents flat. Okay, this one had a great pre-market, up 10% the pre-market, then dipped all the way down. We went negative, but we got back to 26. Okay, so the game plan for this one, if we go to 25 cents, I'm gonna be adding some. Okay, this one's down 80% on the past month. They went down previously because of the offering. So watching Logic Mark at 25 cents a share. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol HEPA, Hepion Pharmaceuticals, sitting at 16 cents 7. Okay, so this one is down 4.45% today and went down a cent, and it is up 2.39% in the after hours. I'm going to be looking to pick this one up in the low 15s to the low 16s. So you guys are going to see, I love buying dips. Okay, I love entering on a pullback. You guys won't see me chase stocks, and if I am always in a trade, okay, I'm going to be making sure my risk is managed before. Okay, I check the news. Okay, what's up with the news? Okay, I'm looking at sentiment on the stock, right? I'm always going to look at that stuff, and also I'm gonna have if I don't have a physical stop loss, right, I'm gonna have a mental stop loss, right? I always manage the risk before I go ahead and take a trade, because I know that my risk will be mitigated. Okay, I keep my risk small on every trade I take. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol BHAT. Blue Hat is sitting at 5 cents right now, 5.19 and some change. Okay, this one is down about 5% today. I'm gonna need you guys to watch this one if it goes to the 0.48 cent level. Okay, so watch out on Blue Hat on that. Okay, this one has been a runner recently. Okay, it recently hit about 10 cents and then dipped back. So you're gonna see that these stocks move in tangent with the market. Okay, so it is important that you add on dips. Okay, so you can stay long term, and cash is also positioned. Okay, if you need some time off, right, go ahead, get cash, right? You can also dabble in once in a while. Guys, I've been adding slowly on these pullbacks. Okay, so that's what's coming with the market. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol CYCU. This one is coming back on the channel. Okay, I'm temporarily looking at this one because this one has had some news catalysts. All right, I'm just gonna read this one off the screen. Cycurion expands cybersecurity partnership with leading national public health association. So it seems like this ticker has been having major news, yet some funds are selling off. Okay, so I'm still watching this ticker. Okay, I'm gonna be adding along. Okay, so watching this one This is down 90% in the past month. Okay, still on my radar, but once again, this one is highly volatile. So if you guys are watching this one, make sure, okay, to manage your risk. All right, we had a big run up to 111 today after this huge pullback, but we fell back down to 92-cent area, and now we're at 102. So I'm curious to see how this one opens up. It seems like we're getting frequent news, but yet the stock still drops. Okay, so huge watch. Seems like more people are watching this one, but I'm gonna see if we can rebound off these lows at 1. All right, so once again, make sure to manage your risk. This one is a huge risk. You could see that it is down a whole 30% today. All right, next up we got ticker symbol ICON, Icon Energy. Now this one has dropped to lows. It made new lows at 23.45. So be on the lookout for these levels for tomorrow. Okay, 23.45, 24 cents, 24.2. Okay, these levels are going to help you tomorrow. Okay, it's my plan. Okay, so I'm giving you guys my plan. All right, so let me know what you think about that. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol STSS. Sharps Technology is going to be at down about 13%. Okay, down 8% plus 4.5% after hours. It had a low of about 29.26 today, I believe, and it rebounded all the way to 31 cents. So tomorrow I'm going to be watching for a dip buy on this one. If we get another 10 to 15% correction on this one down to the 29-cent area, that's where I like loading up on these stocks, guys. Rinse and repeat. Okay, next up, guys, we got ticker symbol RR, Rich Tech Robotics. This one sits at 186. I am slowly adding in on these dips. Okay, we had a huge 15% downhill movement. We're down 1% after hours, but this gives us a chance. Okay, this one had ran up 195% in the past 3 months. So I love adding on the pullbacks, guys. This is huge. Okay, don't buy the top. Make sure you guys are adding in on the dips. Okay, make sure you're doing that. Okay, I got 2 more stocks. We got ticker symbol PTPI. Petros Pharmaceuticals is sitting at 11 cents and 70. This one is down 6% on the day, down 0.5% in the after hours. Now the low on the day of this one was about 11.40. So if you watch this one, okay, watch for 11.40, 11 cents, 10 cents on this one. Okay, these are dip buying levels. Okay, so that's what I'm watching for tomorrow. And also lastly, we got ticker symbol APLD. Okay, so this is a new one here on the channel. We got a 15% pullback on this one. If it falls down to its lows, 873, I'm going to be potentially loading this one up. Okay, I'm going to be watching this stock, guys. Remember, it's about moving slow, right? In this market, we got to go ahead and take our profits fast and also compound them. Okay, take your small gains, turn it into more. Okay, guys, get more reps in. Learn to take profits, even if it's 3, 5%, 10%. That's still profit that you made from the market on your phone, on your device. Okay, take your profit so you don't let a green trade turn into red. I've seen it plenty of times before. And also, if you are in a play and asking if you should take profit, put a stop loss on it. Okay, if you're up on a play, put a 2%, 3%, 5% stop loss. So if the stock goes down today, like many did, okay, you can get out in profit. Does that make sense? We don't want to be leaving money on the table when we made it. Okay, we need to make sure we secure it, lock it in, compound it, move on to the next one. Okay, because there's always another opportunity. So if you guys haven't already, okay, consider using a stop loss. And for those who don't have day trades, you can always wait for the next week. Okay, that's just how it goes. You need patience. Okay, that's all I teach on this channel. In the Discord, there's more knowledge and education, right? I also teach that. I chat with you guys. So be sure to join the Discord. First link in the description. You'll get my buy alerts, okay? As well as all the education. I'm also going to be adding about 300% more. Be on the lookout for that. Tomorrow, we're going to get a nice rally, okay? I'm going to be looking for a rally day. So be on the lookout for that. I'm also going to be watching for the dips. So everything I talk about in the video is going to be important. So watch this through again if you didn't get it. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed me going through the levels. I went over the supports, resistances, the call options step by step on the video. So be on the lookout for NVIDIA, guys, because NVIDIA is the major move in the market everyone's looking at. So I want you guys to be prepared as possible, as well as some penny stocks. So I went over PTPI, right? I went over CYCN, okay? CYCU, right? I went over a ton of penny stocks. So be on the lookout for that. You can rinse and repeat these plays. If you're up 5%, you bought the dip that it dipped down 15%, okay? Take it, compound it, rinse and repeat, right? Repeat it again a week later, right? Keep practicing making money, okay? Practice too, guys. You know, you can start small, and then as you go up, okay, you can scale up. Just because you made $100 from about $80, right? Keep playing with the 80 until you get comfortable to move on, right? So that's all it's about, guys. Make sure you guys join the Discord. First link in the description. Get ready tomorrow, because we're going to be getting ready to pounce. They took Friday down. They took Monday down. If they take tomorrow down, they're being extra greedy, right? Watch out for this short squeeze we're going to get. So be on the lookout for that. Most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 15,000 subscribers this week. I believe in each and every one of you. Guys, good luck tomorrow, okay? I believe in each and every one of you. Peace.